Welcome back to JavaScript programming. In the previous video, we have seen the JavaScript introduction, and in this video, let us look at the JavaScript versions. Here you can see there are different versions released for JavaScript. Okay, here we need to notice that ECMA script is the official name of the JavaScript standard. Okay, so here you can see JavaScript invented by Brendan. So in 1995 became an ECMA standard in 1997. Okay, so from 1997 they started giving the versioning to the JavaScript programming. From 1997 ECMA versions was abbreviated by numbers ES1, ES2, ES3, ES4, ES5, ES6 like that. Okay, so here you can see. So here we have missed ES4, right? So ES4 is not released. Okay. So ECMA script, ECMA script, ES is nothing but ECMA script ES1. And you can see ES6 till 2015. ES6 they named it as a ES1 to ES6. From 2016 to 2025 versions are named by year. Okay. So you can see ES 2016, ES 2017, ES 2018, ES 2025. Okay, so like that. So the versions are named with the years, not with numbers. From 2016 onwards, so JavaScript versions are named as ES 2016, ES 2017, like that. So the current version is 2025, ES 2025. By the time we are recording this video, the JavaScript version is ES 2025. Okay, so here you can see all the versions related information. Okay, so 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, like that. So you can go through all these versions and you can see new features released in 2025. You can go to 2024. So new features released in JavaScript 2024. So here you can see new features released in 2023. So we are going to discuss all these newly introduced important features in our JavaScript programming series. Okay. Yeah. So this is about the JavaScript versioning. And there is a ECMA standard, okay, committee. So if there are any new releases are coming, so there is a ECMA technical committee. That technical committee needs to be approve all these new releases into JavaScript. Then only it will be released into JavaScript versions. Okay, so these are about the JavaScript versions. If anybody asks you what is the latest JavaScript version, you can say ES 2025 is the JavaScript latest version.